Hi, welcome to another Webcam Modeling Club video. I'm your host, Stacy Sanchez, and today I'm going to talk about blocking countries and regions when doing webcam modeling. So let's get started. It is about privacy. You have put some thought of the positive aspects of becoming a webcam model, like earning tons of money, interacting with diverse and interesting persons, and become good friends with them, and enjoy the work. Right now, it is time to consider personal privacy. Many cam models stop the job mainly because they worry about somebody they know might observe them. The first factor to prevent this is to verify if the webcam business enables blocking certain locations. A few of them let you block countries, which is a wonderful characteristic for the organization to present to their models, and for you if you don't desire close friends, family members, or somebody else to see you performing. You will also need to examine if the organization has a DMCA license, or you can purchase one yourself. There is not 100% guarantee that no one you know won't observe you, yet there are extra actions on hand to boost your privacy. Block several places. A wonderful characteristic provided by webcam businesses is the capability to block one or more areas. You might want to do that mainly because numerous site visitors use proxy web servers to gain access to webcam sites, so their IP address is altered or covered. Also, persons who know you can check out webcam sites while being in other countries or cities. Nevertheless, you also can easily block a specific user if you are in doubt about somebody. Always use a nickname. Always employ other than your own name, both equally in the chat room and for setting up your camera. Select a name which you identify yourself with. Nevertheless, prevent providing details from your ID. You need to safeguard your identity and details from people who knows you and from identity thieves and scammers. Get creative with location, makeup, and costumes. Consider what is precisely your stage and prevent whatever can uncover your location, like photos of family members or close friends, pictures from your neighborhood, or a unique picture in your room. Also, take note of how you adorn the room you are broadcasting from, and if there is whatever can be related back to you. You might also get imaginative with makeup, wigs, and costumes to disguise or cover yourself, from basic to the extent of constructing a new character. Hide yourself from social media accounts. There are persons that will uncover you without wanting to. For example, some followers of your webcam company's social media account will get your picture from it, or will have automated updates coming from you displaying their profiles. If so, you will have to contact them and ask them to delete it. What to do if someone you know sees you? Sadly, there are plenty of prejudice regarding webcam modeling and sex chats. A lot of family members, especially fathers and mothers, think this is not a job suitable for their children. Yet, it's simply another job. It is fun and it produces money fast. Nothing to be embarrassed of. Therefore, if somebody identifies you, believe you are not performing anything incorrect. That is simply one job and that you are earning money. If they begin judging you, you can definitely ask them why they were observing you site then. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and also make sure you join our 100% free webcam modeling training mini course. Learn how to make $2,000 per week from the comfort of your home as a webcam model at www.modelingclub.webcam.